Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download the popular Fruit Ninja 2 application on your iPhone, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Now go open your App Store. In the search box, type in Fruit Ninja and search. Look for this Fruit Ninja 2 application and click on the install or the download button. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded right on your iOS device. Fruit Ninja 2 is the exciting sequel to the beloved mobile game Fruit Ninja. This action-packed game brings back the classic fruit slicing gameplay with a fresh twist. Wait for the application to install in just a couple of minutes and you will then be able to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device. Downloading Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device involves opening up your Google Play Store first. Click on the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search box at the top and type in Fruit Ninja 2. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and open up the Fruit Ninja 2 application and tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone, which will take a couple of minutes. Wait for the application to download and once it is downloaded, tap on the play button to open up Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android phone. And there you have successfully downloaded Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device. Wait for the game to load and then sign in using one of your social accounts and you will be good to go. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Fruit Ninja 2. To change your display language settings on Fruit Ninja 2, first of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are inside this main home page. Now, click on the gear option located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on language. From the list of available languages on the screen, choose the one that you'd like to change to for your display. After selecting the language, you can get back to the main home page and you will immediately witness that you successfully changed your display language for Fruit Ninja 2. In this video, we will be learning how to enable or disable notifications from your Fruit Ninja 2 application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your device. From the home page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you will need to tap on the enable notification or the disable notification if you want to enable or disable your notification setting. You can also go through your device's setting and find the notification option and turn on and off the app notifications from there. Simply open up your settings app from your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on the notifications option. Under notifications, search for the Fruit Ninja 2 app and select it. If you want to turn on notification setting for Fruit Ninja, make sure the button is toggled on and it turns green. If you want to disable the notifications for Fruit Ninja, make sure the toggle button is disabled and turned gray. So right after you do that, you will be able to enable or disable notifications for Fruit Ninja 2. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name in Fruit Ninja 2. To change your name on Fruit Ninja 2, first of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your mobile device. From the main homepage of Fruit Ninja 2, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, you will be able to see your name at the top. Click on the Edit Name button on the left and go ahead and edit your name according to your choice. Now click on OK and you will be able to change your name on Fruit Ninja 2. In this video, we will be learning how to find your user ID on Fruit Ninja 2. Finding your user ID can be helpful for various reasons on Fruit Ninja 2, such as seeking a support or connecting with friends. No matter what the reasons are, here is how you can locate your user ID within the game. First of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your device. Once you end up in this main home screen, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, you will be able to see your user ID at the very bottom. If you cannot find your user ID within the game option, you can contact the game's support team, provide them with your account information and request your user ID. So that is how you can easily find your user ID on Fruit Ninja 2. In this video, we will be learning how to get gems on Fruit Ninja 2. Gems are a premium currency that can be used to buy various in-game items including blades, backgrounds and power-ups in Fruit Ninja 2. So here are some ways to earn and acquire gems in the game. First of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application, and once you open up to the main home page, you will be able to see the quests option at the top right corner. Simply tap on it and you will be able to see the daily quest which you'll need to go ahead and complete in order to earn gems. After you complete a quest, you will be able to collect gems and other rewards. While playing a different game mode, make sure to aim for high scores. Achieving certain milestones or high scores may grant you gems as a reward. Also make sure to be participated in events. Simply go to the right hand section and click on the events option, but in order to participate in events, you will need to unlock level 3. So make sure you complete the levels in order to achieve rewards and gems as you progress throughout the game. In order to earn free gems, go to the bottom left corner of your home page and click on rewards option. In there, you will be able to receive rewards by watching ads. Click on the free button right under the rewards, and then after watching ads for a few minutes, you will be rewarded with gems or any other achievements. If you prefer to buy gems directly, you can go ahead and do so by going and visiting the shop, and inside the shop you will be able to purchase gems using real money. Make sure to keep an eye for special offers or bundles that includes gems, and these offers might provide more value for your money. So those were some of the tips you can use to accumulate gems in Fruit Ninja 2 and make the most out of your gaming experience. So that is how you can easily get gems on Fruit Ninja 2. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to delete your Fruit Ninja 2 application, whether you are using an Android or your iPhone. To uninstall or delete Fruit Ninja 2 app, first of all, go ahead and locate your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your app drawer. Now, press and hold the app for a couple of seconds, and then in the pop-up menu, click on Remove App or Uninstall. Confirm removing or deleting your app by clicking on the Delete button, and you will be able to delete your Fruit Ninja 2 application from your smartphone. Now your application will be deleted, and if you ever want to get access to Fruit Ninja again, you will need to download the app by visiting your App Store or your Play Store again. So that is how you delete Fruit Ninja 2 application. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.